What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are doing some different content today. We have driven ourselves up to Tampa in the deduct-aped Queen, and we are going to put the old girl on the dyno. Hopefully the plan is to run her one pool NA, no supercharger, and one pool with the supercharger attached. See if we're going the right direction or not. See where she's at, where she's not, and see if we can move on from there. So we drove up here. We're at Trilogy Performance in Tampa. We were actually put onto this place by our buddy in the Nissan hard body, Lewis. You know, he's been to a lot of these Spectator fan participation races with us. So thank you, Lewis, for turning us on up here. And we're gonna see what the old girl's got. So let's leave your comments down below on what you think the car is going to do. Stock, the 5S FE on the 5-speed had anywhere between 130 to 136 horsepower at the crank. So we'll see what she puts out to the wheels now at 198,500 miles, almost on the dot. And then we'll see what happens when we crank that supercharger up and see if it goes up, see if it goes down. We know the supercharger is severely undersized for the motor, but this will at least give us an idea as to where to go. Are we going to go turbo? Are we going to go supercharger? Are we going to abandon the deduct-aped Queen and find ourselves something else? All right, guys, stand by. Guys, here we go. Just trying to help him get set up here too. All right. So I don't think we need the dual. I'm just going to switch to regular. Alright, here we go. Third gear pull, guys. Oh, my speedo's wrong. Okay. Alright, he was getting the gear ratio set up. Whatever you want to do. All right, 6,200 RPMs. And NA 106. All right, it's a little better than I thought. All right, guys, here we go. We got the supercharger bolted on. Let's see if we get any numbers higher than 134 torque, 106 horsepower. There's the supercharger. Alright, guys, let's see if all this money I put in this thing is worth it. Alright, guys, drum roll, drum roll. Yeah! I'll take it. I'll take it.
But it stayed right on
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a little hot, but all right, guys. So we only got another like 15 horse or so, 10 horse overall, but up in the red line, up in the power band, it 30 horsepower more up where I need it, heading into turn 3 at the Freedom Factory. So that's great. Remember, this is only third gear because it is a 4-cylinder, front wheel drive, all that other stuff. So maybe the numbers are a little higher in fourth, maybe they're a little lower. I don't really care. I'm happier than a pig in a mud puddle. This is great. Performance for sure. Man, great job up here. I will have to be back once we do some more improvements on the car. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully one of you guys guessed right, and see you later.
It's so rich up top. You do anything else with a custom thing for a Honda? It's rich up top. Every little thing, no power anything. But it's up top. Up top. 10-2, 10-5. 10-3. Yeah. Nice. That's a Saturday. All that means a beer. You know what all my Saturdays to go. I'm going to move that out of the way, right? You know we need Saturdays, shop flags to the car. Shop flags to the car, you can't do it. Where's my... It did say it's 2 of them. Mike, what is going on? Let's remember, it did say it's 2 of them. I remember. That's nice. Let me get up. It's going to be hard to keep up with everyone. But I'm going to tell them to do is just tag me. When you tag me, I put it back on the page. You know what I mean? Yeah. I tell you, man, you just never know. Week to week, what to do, what to do, come on, yeah, and then you reflash it. You already did the reflash on it? Yeah, that's not very conservative. I messaged you on Facebook. Oh. Yeah, worst case, you just start getting out of this year.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube if you're good with that. Then I'll
Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't post any numbers. So, yeah, no, so that's what I mean. So, let's add you can get into
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of people, of course. When the bus goes on YouTube, then I share it, and I really get it. I was like, whatever expecting to see out on the business, you never know what's going on. How you doing? Oh! Hey. You can buy cars and money.
Alright, there she is.
Not too bad for a car that had 130 crank horsepower, factory at 98. She's still got 109 NA. It's really not bad.
Yeah, we're ready to go, man. Yeah, I told you it didn't take long. I got it down to a science.
I'm gonna guess. You said 2 to 3 pounds?
If it's hot like this, I don't know if it'll make that, but it may.
Yeah? Yeah. I was gonna get this, if I'm going off on the PSI, it's still something low. But I would say we'll open it up to 125 to 130. Any little